If you guys are having trouble finding exactly how deep to float underneath of an indicator rig, today I'm going to show you my technique when finding how deep the hole is and finding where the fish are. So, enjoy. Alright guys, so here's how I'll judge depth if I'm coming up to a new place I've never been before. So this is a hole I've never fished. Started my indicator at around 4 feet. First cast through wasn't deep enough. So you can see right there I just slid it maybe 8 to 10 inches. Usually I try to keep between 6 and 8 inches because guys, that 6 inches will make a difference. That is the difference between getting a fish and not getting a fish. So I move in small increments, always shoot shallow first. 6 to 8 inches down. As you can see here, it still wasn't enough. I still didn't get any taps in the bobber. I didn't see any bottom action, so we still weren't getting down. I pulled it back in. I moved it another, I think 6 to 8 inches, recast, and that's when we got a result. Accuracy is everything when fishing with an indicator. You have to be floating in that water column where they're resting, because they're not going to travel too far, especially during the wintertime. They want that thing to land right in front of their face. So, as you can see, I slid another 6 to 8 inches here, and this is where we see a result. Unfortunately, pay attention to the top left. Hooked it, it broke off, and he went airborne. And that was the first fish I saw all day. No! We got on the river at 7:30. It's probably 2:30 right now. I was defeated. Hole after hole, no fish. Couldn't get it together, but I promise you we turned it around. There he is. Fish on! About time! About damn time! Finally! Guys, so this run here, I've always wanted to catch a fish long distance at the end of a run with him downstream, me upstream. I don't know what it is about that, but I've always wanted it and I've just never seemed to get it. Well, here, I mean, I was just about to flip my cast back up river and he grabbed it at the last possible second and it was so cool. Really awesome hookup. Take a look at this. That was fish on! Yes sir, yes sir.
No! That's 3! That was a dark one. Very cool for sure. Oh, go. Oh, yeah. I got a fisher. Come here.
Hey guys, so that is North Branch Potomac, huge river in Maryland. Absolutely love that river. It's my favorite place. It's a little bit of a hike. It's about 2.5 hours. No traffic to get out there for me, so I don't hit it much, but it's always a pleasure. Super rough morning, like I said, but we definitely turned it around. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. Stay tuned for more. It's gonna be fun.